You're going against two of the hardest elements out there, the sun and the salt. Why would you spend X amount of dollars on something and then put a subpar product on it?
It's going to help protect your deck. It's something that's going to last longer than traditional all grip or non-skid surfaces. We were marine enthusiasts first, boaters, fishermen, users of these marine products.
There's a multiple amount of reasons why you want to have DEKit. We looked at what everyone was doing in the industry and we took the best of it and we created our product. Do you cruise? Do you take your dad out? Do you take your kids out? You put DEKit on the swim platform and now it's more safe. Our focus is on quality, customer service, and customization. We've created a very vast dealer network. They're going to come out, scan the boat, we produce it behind us over here, and they install it on site. You never have to bring the boat to them, they can do everything with you. Our foam is a closed cell foam, which means water, blood, oil, whatever, does not permeate the foam. DEKit is amazing the fact that it washes right off. Take a bucket, splash it down, and everything's gone. I've had people tell me, one afternoon on a fiberglass boat, they feel awful. 3 days on DEKit, feel great. One of the best things about DEKit is the customization. We have over 50 color options and unlimited amount of designs. If you think about it, we can do it.
Branded foam rulers, custom cooler toppers, anything that you could really think of, we'll cut it for you.
Our design team is the best in the business. If you have even the smallest idea in your head of what you're looking for, our design team can take that and put it into reality. You know, our product is so durable that as long as you take care of it, it should last for as long as you need it to.
What's most important to us is to make sure that we're delivering the absolute best. We think that DEKit should be on every single boat that's on the water, period.
See some of the projects that we've done that are similar to what you have. Then reach out to us. Or you can get on our website, put in your address, and find the closest provider to you.